I like this song. Who is it?
Yeah, the torches are still going.
Marchiva?
They're good. It's just
Torches are sludge.
Yeah, they work well.
soothing song. I really like it.
I like it a lot. Is the album good? I'm making a video to it. And we're part of the video. There's your voice. There's your voice that I heard. You have a very good voice. You should sing more. You should sing like me.
I sing by myself all the time.
But if you keep it to yourself, then that's not very nice.
I do too. My sister played violin for years. I played piano.
I like when a rock song.
I know.
Violin.
You a Dave Matthews fan?
Like the Hurricane song has good.
I love violin. My sister.
I don't like it in every song.
My
but I
sister
like
played
it.
Irish traditional
Yeah.
and like in competition.
Yeah.
Really, you know the Irish traditional? It's like blah 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 blah.
A lot of
You
my.
know the band Barrage?
Yeah.
Awesome. Violin and fiddle.
Animals.
All the stomping
God, we
Yeah.
played
and
that.
dancing.
That was sweet that everyone wanted to listen to that beginning to end because like I listen to it all the time.
Okay.
It's so good beginning to end. Like,
Yeah,
it's the way to listen to it. Like, it doesn't do it justice to listen to one track.
I agree. I don't know how you could stop listening after one song.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
There she
I
goes.
love this song. It makes me so happy.
It's a good song.
I'm going to write it down in my little black book.
Yeah, I'll do that.
You know I will.
Yeah, we should definitely do the torches on future camping.
Yeah,
Torches are
It'd be good.
clutch, man.
Even to like position them throughout a campsite, you know? It'd be really cool.
yeah,
Buy a few jugs of that oil. It'll be really cool.
yeah.
Light up the whole site.
Yeah, they're really bright. They really throw a lot of